Hi everyone, it's Ayanna. Welcome back to my channel. So today video we have a beauty haul. So I have some beauty products that I bought from Target. Okay. Oh my god, I need help. I'm so silly. Okay, let's just hop right into this video. Stop playing around, girl. Okay, the first thing first I have is the Milani, and this is the rose butter lip mask. So this is what it looks like. This is it right here. So this is what we have, and put that in there. We have some face products. We have some products that we had repurchased. We have the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo concealers. I love this version because I have oily combination skin, so I buy the matte version. If you have dry skin, e.l.f. also have the hydrating version to this. I believe this came out this year, so you can go ahead and purchase the hydrated one if you have dry skin. But I have oily skin, oily combination skin, so I buy the matte version. So I have the deep chestnut and deep cinnamon. So this is like my winter shade, concealer on my eye, and this is like a summer shade. So I have two more of these I had repurchased. I also got, I think I should have buy more because I believe I only got these two new ones. I also have the Covergirl Easy Breezy Brow Microfine and Define Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Soft Brown. So I have these two right here I repurchased. I also have something new that I never tried before, and this is the Covergirl Expeditionist Uncensored Mascara. So I have this mascara right here. So this is new. I will be trying that out. I also got the Shea Moisture African Black Soap with shea butter. I'm gonna use this to wash my makeup sponges and my makeup brush. Seems to be a bit more natural, so just to have something natural to wash your brush with. And yeah, let's give it a try. I also have the Real Technique Miracle Powder Sponge. So it said it's for powder makeup. I guess you can use this for a smooth, seamless finish with your powder setting powders or your bronzer, highlighter. But I will probably use this to set under my eyes with it. And since it's a powder sponge, let's give it a try. And I also have some lip goodies. I got some lip goodies right here. I think I went a little bit overboard. No, I will show you guys this face sunscreen first. So the sunscreen that I have is Neutrogena Clear Face Break-out Free Liquid Lotion Sunscreen. So I always put a sunscreen on under my makeup, or even if I go outside with a bare face, I always put on my sunscreen, because sunscreen is actually good to help protect your skin from the sun, from your if you have hyperpigmentation or dark spots, for like if you're dark skin, even if you're fair skin, like sunscreen protect your skin. I wear it all year round. In the summertime, I wear it. In the winter time, even though the sun might not be out that hot to damage your skin, but also like the wind and the coldness outside can affect your skin, break your skin up. So I use my sunscreen all year round. And this one is a very good one because it said breakout free, and the ingredients in this should actually, if you have acne prone skin or sensitive skin, this one is very good. I've been using it and it don't cause me any breakout. I love it. And I also have some skincare products, and this is from the Bliss I bought all three from the line. This is the Bright Idea Vitamin C and Tripeptide Collagen Protecting and Brightening Moisturizer. And this is what this one is. This is the moisturizer. I believe it's like a cream texture. Yep. So I have this is that's the moisturizer, and I also have the eye cream, and this is the so just a smaller version to the concealer, to the face moisturizer. And God, these things are hard to take off. And this is what it looks like. That's the eye cream, and also this is the serum. So this is the Vitamin C and Pro Collagen Brightening and Firm Serum. So I have the serum, the eye cream, and the moisturizer. So let's try these and see how my skin like it during the day. Cause at night I have my own special stuff I like to use. So I'll see how these go, and I'll let you guys know later on how I'm liking them, or if I don't like them. I'll give an honest review. Okay, so I got some products I have bought from e.l.f. I will go ahead and show you guys, but I have put them in my Target bag because I got rid of the box. So the first thing first I have is e.l.f. have these new bite-size eyeshadow palettes. So I bought three. This is them right here. Cause they're so cute. They are so tiny to just easy to travel with. You just throw them in your makeup bag or even in your small bag. These are so cute. So I have three. The shades I have are Berry Bad. I have Pumpkin Pie and Carnival Candy. So I have these three shades, you know, my alley, you know, pretty neutral and nude shades palette. And this one seemed a little fun. This blue one is very interesting. I can't wait to try it. Very fun to play around with. And I also have this new Camo concealer sponge. So I guess you can use this to blend out the concealer. And the Real Technique one is like a powder sponge. You can go ahead and use that to set your powder, so you don't have to keep using your beauty blenders to do all these extra steps. And I also have the Total Face Sponge from e.l.f. So I have this one from e.l.f. And I also got some more lip glosses. This is what I was gonna show you guys. I got some lip glosses from e.l.f. These are pretty affordable. I believe all these are like $3. It's like 6 or 5. This is like pretty affordable. All these stuffs are pretty affordable. And the e.l.f. products you can also get from Target, but some of the items I could not find the shade on this. I bought them from e.l.f. So, yep, let's begin. So this Claire one is my fave. Claire Everyday Lip Gloss is the e.l.f. Affordable. Pretty affordable. You guys remember I did my Fenty Beauty lip glosses that came out this year. This is like a very affordable option for the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. In glass slipper. Yes. This is a very good substitute and it's pretty affordable. So if you don't have the Fenty, guys, you can go ahead and grab this. $3. You can't beat the price. So I already have one that I use, but I just bought another extra one for backup. And I also have this shade right here. It's called Mauve Bliss. Mauve Bliss. I have this shade right here, Mauve Bliss. And I also have Love Bite. So these are like the glitter version to the Clear Gloss. I have Fantasy, Yep. And I also have this shade. This is not a glitter or shimmer. It's just pretty. It's like a nude lipstick. I like it. So like a nude neutral lip. And this is in the shade Moody. Moody. I am so silly. And I also have, this is not from e.l.f., but this is from my Target haul. I have the NYX Butter Gloss. I love the NYX Butter Glosses. Between the NYX Butter Gloss and my e.l.f., these are like my everyday lip gloss. Because I don't wear makeup, lipstick every day, no. And this is in the shade Bit of Honey. So, yep, there we go. So guys, I think that's it for my Target haul. Target and e.l.f. haul. Hope you guys had enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.